Rahim, October 15, 41 variant, question number 7. Okay, and topic is Newton law. We have a table on table pulley with a two particle hanging B and A, and clearly the mass of A given here 0.3, so into 10 it comes 3 Newton downwards, so R is upward and friction backwards. So and tension towards pulley always. Okay. And B is 0.7 into 10. We got here 7 newtons. Okay. So first part is very clear. He says, and mu is given on the table is 0.2. So using this, I can find friction easily. Friction on A. So F is equal to mu R, and mu 0.2, and R is 3 into 3. So F of A is coming 0.6 newtons. So this is very clear. Okay. So let's talk about the rest part. First of all, what is the condition we have? So in the beginning they are motionless and the start moves, but when time it reaches 0.25 seconds, string breaks. Okay. And after D will fall freely under gravity. Okay. And it will not stop, it will move as well. Okay. So what is the plan? Find the VB before it hits the floor. So it will move in two parts. First, it will move under acceleration, and then after it will move under free fall conditions. Okay, let's start. So first of all, as usual, you know B. So for B, so net force equal to MA. All of you know the formula. So downward force, because motion downward, so 7 minus tension equal to MA. Equation 1 over. Before A, I can say tension minus friction equal to MA. So net force equal to MA. So I can say tension minus friction. And friction we have 0.6. So 0.6 equal to MA. Equation number 2. Just add 1 and 2. So 7 minus tension is equal to 0.7A. Okay. I'm just adding here, I got a 6.4, and here I got 8. So A becomes 6.4 meter per second square. I got the acceleration. Okay. Tension is not required here. Okay, because this acceleration is important. Actually, they start from here rest, so they're moving same acceleration. So I want to find out what the last speed when its string breaks. Okay, and string breaks 0.25. So let's make a plan here. So I will make it for anything. I think I'll make for B. So for B, so U0, acceleration is 6.4, and time when I want to find last speed is 0.25, and I want to find out even V and S. I need both. I tell you why both. Okay. So first of all, let's find when it's traveling, when time is 0.25 second, how much speed at that moment. So you know where formula is V equal to U plus AT, and V is question U0, A 6.4 times 0.25, and I get the 6.4 times to 0.25. It is coming 1.6 meter per second. The speed I will show in 2 steps. So when it's traveling, let's say it is a B particle, it will fall in 2 steps. Okay, so let's say this is a full height from here till here is 0.5 meter. I just show this picture here. Okay, it will move in 2 steps. Okay, step 1, when it's starting from U0, it gains speed of what? 1.6. Okay, and this motion acceleration is 6.4. It is now here string breaks. So this is a point string breaks. So string breaks at this point. Okay. Now when string breaks, but I want to know how much distance it has traveled. It is very important to know. Otherwise, I can't move forward or further. So let's talk about the S. So I think I can find same time here. So I can find S is equal to ut plus half AT square. I apply the formula, u is 0, so gone. Half time acceleration is 6.4, and time in bricks, so 0.25 in square. So let's find 0.25 square into 6.4 and divide by 2. I got its distance traveled 0.2 meters. It means it will fall downwards 0.2 meters. So this is a 0.2 meters. So out of 0.5, if this 0.2, so I can say that from here subtract, I can say this gap is now this remaining part. So this is called, I can say here, this is called free fall motion. Free fall motion. And for free fall motion, what I tell you here, so let's talk free fall motion. This is a free fall, okay? When you talk about free fall motion, so this V for the first stage, V, becomes U for the free fall motion. So U become 1.6. And last speed is my target to reach. This is my target. Free fall, so gravity become plus 10. And S, alhamdulillah, we have, and that is from 0.5, subtract 0.2, I got 0.3. And data is enough, we can solve easily. So V 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. So time 2 times 10, S is 0.3. And last speed is my target, and U becomes 1.6 square. So let's see, 20 times 2.3, and this adds, so plus 1.6 square. And it gives us V square equal to what? 214 by 25. Take root of this, and answer comes V equal to 2.93 meter per second. It means just before hitting, the speed is 2.93. Correct? Okay? So let's go for the next one. So next one, this is a part clear. First part is clear. Let's go for part number 2. Distance traveled by A. As it will travel in 2 parts, it will also move in 2 parts. How it move 2 parts? Let's pick a plan. So for part number 2, I will make a plan. This part will move this, and this move further. Okay. So first of all, it will move how much distance? You know, it moved 0.2 meters. So it will move with 0.2 meters, it will move S is equal to 0.2 meters. So from here till here, 0.2 meters. Okay. So here U0, here velocity becomes, you know, variable 1.6. So this 1.6 for this stage. And I want to find total distance. And for your knowledge, this is a 1.6 becomes, this is called, what is this is called? This is called due to inertia. So this is inertia, this is due to inertia. So inertia motion. So 100%, he said how much this is traveled. So it means last speed is confirmed 0. So for this I'm discussing now. Last speed confirmed 0, and this speed is 1.6. So here 1.6 is the last speed, will becomes U for the next step. So only one thing left behind. I want to find distance, S is my target. It means I need one more thing, and that is acceleration. How to find acceleration? Let's see. So I discussed before, when a system is moved this way, tension, backward friction, and you know net force equal to MA. Tension minus friction equal to 0. Tension becomes, MA. Because tension becomes 0. Why tension becomes 0? Because when a string breaks, so this tension automatically goes away. Okay? So I can say here, and friction is 0.6. That is fixed. So 0.6 and mass is a 0.3, and it goes down. So acceleration becomes minus 2, and game is over. 2AS, V square minus U square, 2 times 2 minus 2, S is my target, and last speed is 0, and U is 1.6 square. So let's see what happens. So 1.6 square divided by 4, and I got the distance is 0.64. So total distance come what? So total distance. So total distance is in 2 stages. This is the 0.2 and this one. So 0.2 and 0.64. So answer becomes 0.84 meters. So that's it. There's one correction. This paper is not October 15, this is June 15. That's it.